Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Okay, children, in previous class we have completed some textual exercises, isn't it? Okay, children, let's see grammar topic today. Okay, what is our grammar topic, children? Subject and predicate. Subject. Okay, let's see first PEP activity. Read the sentence in the table and answer the given questions. One is done for you. Okay, first read these sentences, children, and we have to answer the questions which have given in this table. First read 3 sentences along with me. The jackal lived in a forest. The dogs chased the jackal. The animal served the jackal. Okay, now see who or what is the sentence about. To whom the sentence is about, children? The jackal lived in a forest. Yes, the sentence is about the jackal. The jackal. And next, what is the verb in the sentence? Already we know that verb means it is a action word. Here the jackal lived in a forest means lived is the verb. The jackal lived. Now see, children, next question. The dogs chased the jackal. Now the to whom about the sentence is? Yes, about the dogs. The the dogs, dogs, the dogs. And what is the verb here? Action word? Yes, chased. 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 Next, the animals served the jackal. The animals served the jackal. Who served the jackal? Yes, the animals. The animals. What is the verb here? Now you can simply tell. It is served. S-E-R-V-E-D. Served. Isn't it? Now let's see the explanation about this. Every complete sentence contains 2 parts. A subject and a predicate. Okay. Every complete sentence, what it will contain, children? It will contain a subject and a predicate. Now see, the person, place or thing that is spoken about in a sentence is the subject of a sentence. A subject is usually a noun or a pronoun. Okay, the sentence to whom the sentence is talking about. A sentence ఎవరి కోసం అయితే మాట్లాడుతుందో ఆ సెంటెన్స్ ఆ వర్డ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అవుతుంది ఆ సెంటెన్స్కి. ఓకే, యూజువల్లీ వాట్ ఇట్ విల్ బీ ద సబ్జెక్ట్? A noun, a naming word or a pronoun. Instead of noun we use pronoun. Okay, is it clear, children? To whom we are speaking about in that sentence, that will become as subject. Subject means as important role in the sentence. Okay, to whom we are talking in that sentence, it can be called as a subject of the sentence. Okay, children, see, in a sentence first find the verb. First what you have to find, children? Verb. Verb means an action word and main verbs will be there and helping verbs also will be there. Helping verbs means, do you know helping verbs? Is, am, are, do, does, did, okay, have, has, all these are the helping verbs. And main verbs means already we know that it is a action words. Okay, that means walking, talking, like that. Now see, ask who or what. The answer is the subject of the sentence. Okay, what is it telling, children? To the sentence we have to ask a question, who or what. That means see, first leave this first word, okay, first word you leave it and ask. Okay, the jackal lived in a forest. Who lived in a forest? What lived in a forest? Yes, jackal lived in a forest. Jackal is the answer. The answer will become subject. Yes or no? Yes. Let's go with next one. The dogs chased the jackal. The dogs chased the jackal. Who chased the jackal? Who chased the jackal? Yes, the dogs. The dogs chased the jackal. The answer is the dogs. That means the subject of the sentence is the dogs. Next, the animal served the jackal. Okay, who served the jackal? Yes, the animals. The answer is the animals. That means it is the subject of the sentence. Okay, children, remember one thing. Wherever you see the sentence, you should ask what or who. Then the answer will be the subject of the sentence. Okay, this subject is the main part of the sentence, children. Okay, without subject we cannot frame a sentence. Okay, must and should a complete sentence will contains a predicate and a subject. Now we are learning about subject. Right, children, consider an example from PEP 5.6. That means here the jackal lived in a forest. In this sentence the verb is lived, isn't it? If we asked who lived in a forest, who lived in a forest, the answer is jackal. That means jackal is the subject of this sentence. Is it clear, children? Now can you identify the subject from the sentence, everyone? Yes, hope you all understood this. Okay, for every sentence we should ask. A sentence చూడగానే మనం ఏం క్వశ్చన్ వేయాలి? Who or what? Then the answer will be the what? Yes, subject. Now children, you complete these two boxes from this table, and what the thing you will do is write 5 sentences, children. Okay, in your rough book write 5 sentences by your own and write the subjects of the sentences also. Okay, you write 5 sentences and like this table also it's good. Okay, write 5 sentences here by your own and write subjects here and verbs in the 3rd column. Okay, like that you prepare a table with 5 sentences. Okay, that is your homework. Okay, and tomorrow we will go with the explanation of predicate also. Okay, today we learnt about the subject. Okay, children, this is about today's English class. You complete the homework and send to me. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.